Hello everyone, this is Derek Darlington. Today in this video I'm showing you the Shotcut free video editor for both Windows and Mac. The Shotcut is one of the best video editing software you could use for free completely without seeing any watermark. One of the best features for this software is that it could help you support different video output formats such as the MP4 and MWV intersector. Now, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to enter text, how to apply filters, and some effects and transitions, as well as how to control the volume, for example, increase or decrease the volume. So first, to start with, let's just open the file. Here I could just add a audio file to the timeline, and after that also just add another video file called sunset to the timeline. So you could also just drag it to the timeline, which is very simple to use. Now after that, you may just want to know how to split cut the video with the Shotcut. It's very simple. Just first move the pointer anywhere you want to split or cut the video, and then tap on this icon called split and playhead to split the video. You can also just press the S key on your keyboard to split the video. So it's really very simple. To cut or remove the video clip, just select any video clip you want to cut or remove, and then right click the mouse and tap on the remove, or also just press the X key on your keyboard to remove it. So as you can see, it's really very simple to split and cut the video. If you want to add some more video files, you could just drag them to the timeline. You could also just move these to enlarge the timeline, so that you could edit the video much more conveniently. Now after that, let's just take a look at how to just add the text to the video. To add the text to the video, it's also very simple. For example, select a video clip and then tap on the filters and tap on this icon. You could search the text here to add the text. There are two types of the text called rich and simple. For example, I just add the rich, and so next, when you select this video clip, you will see that the text box will just move. You could also check this. You could also just type the text you need. For example, just type the sunset. So sunset. Just to move the text anywhere in the video clip, just first choose this and drag it anywhere you like. Yeah, sunset. You could change the text size and color, or also just choose a kind of the font for the text. For example, I just choose one of the colors for this text and move it to the middle of the video clip. The percent of the text could also be changed here. For example, like the full screen, lower third, we can add a background size, or just add background color to the text. So it's very simple. Now if you want to say how the text looks like, you could just select other video clips, and then it will just show the effect. When you select this video text again, this text box will just appear. So you could just select other video clips to see how it looks like. Now after that, actually you could also use the Shotcut free video editor to enter some different effects and transitions. To enter effects, first select the video clip and tap on the filters and this one. For example, you could enter different effects to the video or to the audio, or some favorites effects. For example, let's just choose this one, contrast. Now after that, just move the level to control the contrast of the video. You could also select some other effects like the fade in video or gain volume in the section, like the white balance to control the white balance of the video, as well as choose some other video effects. For example, like the blur, search the blur and select this one. This is blur. Could just change the this one. You could just change the blur of the video. So it's really very good for these different effects and transitions. Now to enter or tap up the transition for two different video clips, you could just move one of the video to another. Then this will just appear. Just right click it and go to properties. Here you could see different transitions like the cut, dissolve, intersector. After that, you could just play it and see how it looks like. So if you want to control the volume of the audio file, you could just for example, select the video or select this music file and tap on the filters and then just search the gain volume. So this is one of the most powerful effects for the Shotcut free video editor, just to control the level of the music or the audio volume. It's really very cool, so you just use it. So based on some basic video editing tools I just introduced for the Shotcut free video editor, when the video is finished, you could just export the video to different output video formats. Just tap on the file and export the video, and you can see there's so many different output video formats you could choose. Here you could change the format, like there's so many different. So this is one of the best features for Shotcut free video editor. For example, because it could let you choose different video formats. But most importantly, with this free video editor, you could also change the resolution as well as aspect ratio. Note that the Shotcut free video editor also supports the 4K video resolution. So this is very wonderful. You could choose the resolution, aspect ratio, or some other options and easily as you wish. Now after everything is done, just tap on the export file to save your video, or you could just tap on the advanced and I don't know, something else. So this is some basic video editing tips about Shotcut video editor. If you have some more questions, you could also let me know.